Good morning, beautiful people. It's like, I think 7 a.m. and I'm about to go to the train station. I got my stuff pretty much packed. I got my link tucked in. I'm so weird. But yeah, I am about to leave. So we will see what's to come today. Well, I finally made it here in Southern California. It's pretty awesome. I'm at my sister's house and I'm just chilling out on the patio vlogging because they're putting the kids to sleep right now. Oh my gosh, Pablo and Maria are so adorable. Oh my gosh. But yeah. Anyways, we've moved around some stuff and I'm pretty much here just to help them unpack and all that stuff. As for the train trip, the 4-hour train ride is pretty bleh. And then 2-hour bus ride. That was really crazy. But yeah, now I'm here and it's pretty awesome. I guess I'll end this vlog now, and yeah, stay strong, stay beautiful, stay yourself. It's on my finger. That was a fail.